Hi, this is a construction update for Project Yard. Over the past month, we completed several key structure works on site. The foundation slab is in place, columns have been installed. The ramp has been constructed. Sewage systems have been completed. The initial work for electricity supply cables has been started. At the moment, we are working on the next stage, formwork installation of the P1 slab. The construction is progressing according to schedule, and we will continue to update you as the project moves forward.